This is Cheryl Geisler for Coding Streams of Language. Today we're looking at Excel Procedure 9.1, Calculating a Goodness of Fit ChiSquare Test in Excel. Here we'll be working with a template in Excel to answer the question, how likely is it that my segments have been coded randomly? We will be using a 6-step template available for this procedure at the link on your screen. I begin with Step 1, Observed. I fill in the names of the coding categories across the top. In the cells, I fill in the observed frequencies. I could use formulas like those described in Chapter 7 to enter these values from a data worksheet automatically, but here I simply type them in. In Step 2, Expected, Excel has automatically divided the total number of segments by the number of categories and put the results in each cell of the table. In Step 3, 0 minus E, Excel has automatically subtracted the expected frequencies from the observed values and put the result in each of the cells. In Step 4, 0 minus E squared divided by E, for each cell, Excel has automatically squared the values from Step 3 and divided the result by the expected value from Step 2. The sum of chi-squares will be the grand total shown in this table. To determine the significance of this sum of chi-squares, I first enter the number of categories in my coding scheme in Step 5. Excel automatically calculates the degrees of freedom by subtracting 1 from this number. With this degrees of freedom and sum of squares, I navigate to a chi-square lookup table like the one linked here. I find the row corresponding to my degrees of freedom and then look across to find the p-value for the last value smaller than my sum of chi-squares. I subtract the value from 1 to get a p-value. I return to my Excel worksheet and enter this p-value to record my level of significance. To learn more, visit the WAC Clearinghouse at the link on your screen to download Coding Streams of Language for free.